Good morning friends, welcome to my channel The Education Hub. In this video we are going to learn about tense. Tense, it's derived from Latin language tempus, it means time. Forms of verb is called tense. Tense shows the time of an action and its degree of completeness. The verb may tell us that an action is done in the present time. I see the blue sky, that an action was done in the past time. He saw the blue sky, and that action will be done in future time. He will see the blue sky, that an action was done at some past time viewed as future. Future in the time. For example, he said that he would be 16 in 3 weeks. A verb then has 3 main times or tenses: present, past and future. Simple. It is the subcategory of simple present tense which denote present, past or future time in its simple form. I play, I played and I shall play. The action is mentioned simply without anything being said about its completeness or incompleteness of the action. Continuous, which denotes that the event is present in past and in future, is still continuing or not yet completed. I am reading, I was reading, I shall be reading. Perfect, which denotes that the event in present, past or future time is in a completed or perfect state. I have played, I had played, I shall have played. Perfect continuous, which combine the meaning of the two preceding forms. I have been reading, I had been reading, I shall have been reading. Simple present tense or simple indefinite tense. What is always and necessarily true? The sun rises in the east. Honey is sweet. Fortune favors the brave. ऐसे वाक्यों से चिरंतन सत्य, इंटरनल ट्रुथ या सिद्धांत, प्रिंसिपल का बोध होता है और इसीलिए इनसे प्रेजेंट, पास्ट, फ्यूचर तीनों प्रकार के टाइम का भाव व्यक्त किया जाता है। रूल नंबर 2, ऐसे वाक्यों से अस्थायी कार्य, परमानेंट एक्टिविटी या स्वभाव, नेचर का बोध होता है और इसीलिए इनमें प्रेजेंट, पास्ट और फ्यूचर तीनों प्रकार के टाइम का भाव व्यक्त होता है। इट इज denoted to permanent or habitual in life or character. He keeps his promise. He has good health. He drinks tea every morning. Provided that future time is implied by the context. He comes, will come in a few days time. When will you start for Chennai? That the event expressed by the verb is known to be past. This is called historic or geographic presence. ऐसे वाक्यों से ऐतिहासिक वर्तमान का बोध होता है। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, नाउ द बैटल ऑफ पानीपत begins. Now Sohrab rushes forward. Now Akbar calls Birbal and asks. ऐसे वाक्यों के से समय, टाइम या शर्त, कंडीशन का बोध होता है और ये फ्यूचर टाइम के भाव को व्यक्त करते हैं। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, यू विल पास इफ यू वर्क हार्ड. आप पास हो जाओगे यदि आप कठिन मेहनत परिश्रम करोगे। यू विल वेट हियर अंटिल ही कम्स बैक. मैं उसके आने तक यहीं पर इंतजार करूंगा। यहाँ इफ यू वर्क हार्ड का अर्थ है इफ यू विल वर्क हार्ड और अंटिल ही कम्स बैक का अर्थ है अंटिल ही विल कम बैक. In these types of sentences, we use present indefinite with future indefinite. We use simple present when we write about quotation. See examples. Keats says, a thing of beauty is joy forever. Sentences of this tense are formed by observing the following rules. First, affirmative. In affirmative, when we structured the sentence of singular number, we use the third person of pronoun as a subject with verb 1 SRES then other. See examples. He reads book. Girl eats. She sings a song. But when we make plural number of sentence, we use I, we, you, they, name more than one with verb 1, our main verb, and other words. I read book, girls eat, they sing a song. निगेटिव सेंटेंस. निगेटिव सेंटेंस में जब हम सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट ही सी एट, थर्ड पर्सन ऑफ प्रोनाउन वन नेम के साथ डज नॉट और वर्ब वन का प्रयोग करते हैं. ही डज नॉट रीड बुक, गर्ल डज नॉट ईट, सी डज नॉट सिंग अ सॉन्ग. बट प्लूरल बनाते समय हम डज नॉट के स्थान पर डू नॉट का प्रयोग करते हैं. तो स्ट्रक्चर है फर्स्ट पर्सन आई वी, थर्ड पर्सन प्रोनाउन यू, डू नॉट, वर्ब वन, अदर वर्ड्स. नेम मोर देन वन, नाउन एंड नाउन. जब भी हम प्लूरल सेंटेंस बनाते हैं निगेटिव सेंटेंस का तो आई वी दे यू के साथ डू नॉट देन वर्ब वन का प्रयोग करते हैं. आई डू नॉट रीड बुक, वी डू नॉट सिंग अ सॉन्ग, राम एंड रिया डू नॉट प्ले सम गेम्स. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते समय हम सबसे पहले इसका हेल्पिंग वर्ब डज आर डू को वाक्य के प्रारंभ में लिखते हैं. तो स्ट्रक्चर है इसका डज, सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट, वर्ब वन, अदर सब्जेक्ट एंड एट लास्ट क्वेश्चन मार्क. सी एग्जाम्पल्स. डज सी सिंग अ सॉन्ग, डज गर्ल्स ईट, डज राम प्ले रेगुलरली. हियर वी मेक plural sentence of interrogative sentence. So first we will write do, then subject plural, then verb one, then other word, then question mark. Do you eat? Do we go? Do I eat? Second, present continuous. In present continuous, we use helping verb or be verb is, am, are according to meaning with subject and verb fourth are present participle verb used to express an action going on at the time of speaking. For example, the boys are flying kites. I am reading a book. Present continuous is also called progressive tense. Sometimes expresses habit or customs. He is attending college very regularly these days. The sun is rising now. They are catching fish now. These sentences tells us immediate present now. It is used with temporary action which may not be actually happening at the time of speaking. I am reading David Copperfield, but I am not reading it at this moment. An action that take place are arranged to take place in the near future. I am going to my father tomorrow. Or can say she is going to write a book. We prefer to use the present simple rather than the present continuous with the verb describing sensual states, a state of mind or feeling, mental activities. These verbs include agree, assumes, believe, belong to, contain, cost, disagree, recognize, feel, haste, have, hope, know, like, look, understand, love, own, prefer, realize, regret, resemble, smell, taste, forgive, concern, depend, doubt, differ, imagine, etc. All these verbs are not used in continuous tense because it is the example of stative verb. See examples. I consider him to be extremely fortunate. My views. I am considering taking early retirement. I am thinking about now. The following verbs are their meaning are not ordinary, used in continuous forms present, past, future. Verb of perception. See, hear, smell, notice, recognize. Verb of appearance. Appear, look, seen. Verb of emotion. Feel, wish, refuse. Live, desire, prefer. Love, hate, want, hope. Verb of thought. Think, consider, forget, mean. Suppose, trust, know, mind. Agree, remember, understand. Verb of possession. Own, possess, contain, consist of, belong to have. However, if there is a change of meaning, some of them can be used in continuous tense as: the students are having lunch. I am thinking of going to Chennai. Planning. She is looking for a job here, searching. Let us understand how to make sentence of continuous tense. As you know that continuous tense has also 4 sentences: affirmative, negative, interrogative, interrogative, negative. First of all, we will understand about affirmative sentence with singular subject and plural subject. सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट कैसे बनाते हैं और प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ सेंटेंस कैसे बनाते हैं, कौन सा रूल अप्लाई होगा, अब हम इस बारे में समझेंगे। अफर्मेटिव सब्जेक्ट सेंटेंस का सिंगुलर सब्जेक्ट ही, सी, इट, वन, नेम के साथ हम बी वर्ब, इज, एम, आर का प्रयोग करते हैं और उसके साथ ही साथ वर्ब वन में आईएनजी फॉर्म, इट मीन्स वर्ब फोर्थ विच इज said, present participle forms of verb and other word. For example, he is reading, she is singing, Ram is going. जब हम प्लूरल सेंटेंस बनाते हैं तो हम आई, वी, यू, दे, नेम मोर देन वन एंड नेम कंपाउंड नेम के साथ या कंपाउंड नाउन के साथ भी प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट बनाते हैं और उसमें वर्ब वन का ही प्रयोग करते हैं। तो प्लूरल सब्जेक्ट के साथ बी वर्ब, आर के साथ वर्ब में आईएनजी, प्रेजेंट पार्टिसिपल या वर्ब फोर्थ के साथ साथ अदर वर्ड का प्रयोग किया जाएगा। You are reading, we are reading, they are reading, Ram and Shyam are playing. Point to be remembered, in the second person, the verb remains the same in the singular as well as the plural number. And by adding am before the verb and ing to the verb when the subject is in the first person of the singular number. For example, I am eating. In negative sentence, tense is formed by simply putting not after is, am, are. For example, he is not singing, you are not going, I am not reading. An interrogative sentence is formed by placing is, am, are before the subject and verb after the subject. For example, is he singing? Are you going? Am I reading? Let us understand about the present perfect tense. In this tense, we know about the completeness of the sentence. Structure is subject, has, have, past participle, then other. Has is used with singular subject and have is used with plural subject. It shows about the action completed at the time of speaking. I have solved all the sums. He has visited all the Indian temples. She has read the most Scottish novel. In affirmative sentence, subject has singular and have plural with verb third then other. I, you, have. I first person, you second person, and these persons used with have then verb third. They have eaten, you have eaten, he has eaten. Negative sentence, singular plural subject के साथ has or have not then verb third then other word. She has not eaten, you have not eaten, we have not eaten. Interrogative, beginning of the sentence we write first has or have, then subject, then verb third, then other words, then question mark. Has she eaten? Have you eaten? Has he eaten? Present perfect continuous tense. Has, have, been, verb ing, since, for and others. Since is used with point of time, निश्चित समय के लिए. Since का मतलब से होता है. 5 o'clock, 7 p.m, since yesterday, since last night, since morning, since noon. Since is used before day's name, since Monday, before month's name, since January, before years, since 1960s. For is used in the sense of say, for period of time, अवधि के लिए. Before continuing hours, for 2 hours. Before counting of months, for 7 months. Before counting of days, for 5 days. Before counting of years, for 16 years. Before counting of weeks, for 5 weeks. It is used to express about which begin which action which sometimes in past and still counting. He has been sleeping for 5 hours. I have been doing this work for several months. She has been living in this house since 1985. In negative sentence, subject has not, have not been, verb ing, then other words. We have not been playing football for 2 hours. He has not been doing his work since 2 o'clock. Interrogative sentence. इंट्रोगेटिव सेंटेंस बनाते समय हम सबसे पहले हैज, हैव, देन सब्जेक्ट, देन बीन, देन वर्ब ing, आफ्टर देन सी एंड फॉर अदर वर्ड्स एंड क्वेश्चन मार्क लिखते हैं. हैज सी बिगिन ड्राइंग दिस पिक्चर सिंस मॉर्निंग? Have you been studying in this college for 6 months? That's all for today. Today we learned about tense, origin, its types, subcategories, simple, continuous, perfect, perfect continuous, and sentences structure of affirmative, negative, interrogative, negative, and also knew about the rules of where and how to use of it. So dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe my channel, do share video others so can learn, and hit the bell icon to get regular update. Thanks for watching.